The year is 2025, a time when technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, reshaping every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to how we work and play, innovation is the driving force behind this new era. The world of technology is no stranger to rapid advancements. Every day, new gadgets and innovations emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Yet, amidst this whirlwind of progress, certain breakthroughs stand out, capturing the world's attention. However, few could have predicted the seismic shift brought about by the emergence of DeepSeek R1. This wasn't just another incremental improvement, it was a game changer, a revolutionary leap that promised to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence. Developed in China, this powerful AI model sent tremors through global stock markets, signaling the arrival of a new force in the world of artificial intelligence. Its capabilities were unlike anything seen before, making waves far beyond the tech community. Almost overnight, DeepSeek R1 became a household name. News outlets around the globe buzzed with excitement and speculation, as people from all walks of life began to grasp the potential implications of this groundbreaking technology. Its unveiling sent shockwaves through Wall Street, particularly impacting the stock value of tech giant NVIDIA, a company synonymous with AI development. Investors and analysts alike were caught off guard, scrambling to understand the full impact of this new player. This dramatic market response was a testament to the sheer power and potential of DeepSeek R1. It wasn't just another AI model, it was a harbinger of change, a signal that the future of technology was arriving faster than anyone had anticipated. The world watched with bated breath, eager to understand this new player and its potential impact. Conferences and seminars were quickly organized, as experts and enthusiasts sought to delve deeper into the capabilities and implications of DeepSeek R1. Analysts scrambled to dissect its capabilities, while investors adjusted their portfolios to account for this unexpected disruptor. The financial world was in a state of flux, as everyone tried to navigate the new landscape shaped by this powerful AI. DeepSeek R1 had arrived, and the world of technology would never be the same. Its impact was immediate and profound, setting the stage for a future where artificial intelligence would play an even more central role in our lives. DeepSeek R1 is not just another AI model. It represents a groundbreaking advancement in the field of artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, showcasing a level of innovation that is both awe-inspiring and transformative. Boasting capabilities that surpass anything the world has seen before, DeepSeek R1 is designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. At its core, DeepSeek R1 is a generative AI model. This means it has the ability to create new content autonomously, ranging from text and images to music and even computer code. This generative capability allows it to produce a wide array of creative outputs, making it a versatile tool for various applications. What sets DeepSeek R1 apart is its sheer scale and the depth of its learning. It has been trained on an unprecedented volume of data, encompassing diverse fields and subjects. This extensive training allows it to achieve a level of sophistication and human-like understanding that was previously unimaginable, making it a powerful tool for innovation. The depth of its learning translates into an uncanny ability to generate highly realistic and creative outputs, blurring the lines between human and machine-created content. This means that DeepSeek R1 can produce content that is not only accurate but also highly imaginative, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Imagine an AI that can write compelling news articles, compose symphonies, or design intricate software programs, all with minimal human input. This is the promise of DeepSeek R1. Its potential applications are vast and varied, spanning across multiple industries and sectors. From creative arts to scientific research, from business analytics to software development, DeepSeek R1 is poised to make a significant impact. This is the promise of DeepSeek R1, and it is this potential that has sent ripples of excitement and anxiety through various industries. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the possibilities seem endless, and the future of AI looks more promising than ever before. DeepSeek R1's arrival signifies more than just an incremental advancement in AI. It marks the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence, one that promises to redefine the boundaries of what machines can achieve. It represents a paradigm shift, a leap forward that challenges our traditional understanding of technology. This is a fundamental change in how we perceive the relationship between humans and machines, fostering a new era of collaboration and synergy. Its ability to generate high-quality creative content has profound implications for numerous industries, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Journalism, art, music, and even fields like marketing and advertising are set to be revolutionized by this technology. Software development, too, stands to benefit immensely, with AI assisting in writing code, debugging, and even suggesting new features. The potential for increased efficiency and creativity is enormous, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation. Imagine a world where AI assists writers in crafting compelling narratives, providing suggestions and enhancing their storytelling. It aids artists in realizing their visions, offering tools and insights that were previously unimaginable, or empowers musicians to explore new sonic landscapes, creating music that pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible. However, this potential comes with a caveat. The disruptive nature of DeepSeek R1 also raises significant concerns. Job displacement and the ethical implications of such powerful AI are critical issues that we must address. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is essential to consider both the opportunities and the challenges that DeepSeek R1 presents. Balancing innovation with responsibility will be key to harnessing its full potential.